Welcome to Network Basics Part 1. My name is Nedi, and in this first part I will talk about ipconfig command and how it can help us to manage network. Let's begin. Ipconfig stands for Interface Configuration, a tool for us to view and modify network interface configurations. The command is really simple, just ipconfig. So now let's see some examples. In the right side of terminal we can see the names of interfaces that we have in our machine. Next, inet ADDR will show us the IPv4 address that configured on the interface. Next, the mask will show us the subnet mask that configured on the interface, and there are much more information that network admins can use, such as metric and more. We can shut down or enable an interface using the command sudo for superuser permission, then ipconfig following by interface name that we want to shut or enable, and now up for enable or down for shut down completely the interface. Also, if you want to assign a static IP, netmask, or even the broadcast address, we can achieve this by using the command sudo following by ipconfig, then the interface name, then the IP address, or the subnet mask address. Or you can do it just in one line, as shown below. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please push the like button.